Hey guys, lock in with me for this quick video. I'm going to show you how to save some money when you are planning to travel and book those tickets. I'm an international solo traveler of 5 years. I've been to places like China, Japan, Vietnam, Mexico, Panama, and more. So I'm qualified to show you guys how to book these tickets, and I'm going to show you how to save money in doing so. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the booking tools. First thing we're going to start off is the Google Flights. This is a tool that I always use. It helped me out tremendously. It's a tool that price track the tickets and it lets you know if you're paying too much for that ticket or not. So this come in handy. This is one of the ace cards that can save you money. Let me explain how it works. You want to head over to Google and search Google Flights. So it should be the one at the very first top of the page. Click it. So now you want to put where you are leaving from into the place you are arriving at. This would be your arrival. So let's go ahead and find where we want to go. Alright, so we're going to select the dates, the departure date, and if you can see down here, you can see all the prices different for each of the day. As I mentioned before, you can see that Friday and Saturday, the weekend tickets are more expensive than middle of the week tickets, so keep that in mind as I mentioned before. As you can see, it highlights the cheapest ticket for us in the green in February. Let's go ahead and click it, and let's stay for a few days. We want to come back on Sunday. Alright, so we got a lot of options here. Let's check out some options here. Okay, we got Delta, JetBlue, nonstop. Here are the prices on the right. This is what I want you guys to see. It is the ticket price history. It shows if the ticket is typical for this price, if it's expensive, or if it's cheap so this price. So this is what I like about it. You can see that 1 to 3 months before takeoff, the ticket was $44 cheaper on average. So that tells me it's a good ticket. I will go ahead and book it. The price is normal. If it was in the red, I will reconsider. The last thing you want to do, you want to track your ticket pricing because you will get an email notification if the prices are going down. So guys, please do this. Don't forget to do this one and last important step. All right, so everything is self-explanatory. That's pretty much it. It's a wrap for this. I hope you guys follow along. Pause it if you need to and go back. Now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and talk about the worst times to book a travel ticket. All right, so let's get into the worst time to travel. The worst time to travel is anywhere from 12 months from now until 30 days or less. It doesn't matter what day you pick. Those times are extremely bad. So the airlines take advantage of the people who over prepare and plan, and then they take advantage of the people who are last minute planners. So remember that anything from 12 months from now and 30 days from less, absolutely the worst time to buy flight tickets. But also keep in mind, there are some things that can make the price of the tickets jump no matter what, like holidays. So anything like Christmas, New Year's, Thanksgiving, when you are planning to buy and travel for those particular times, the ticket's gonna be expensive no matter what. So to beat that, what you want to do is plan in advance, like I said before. So book it out in advance to beat the holidays and just the seasonal times. You got your summer tickets are always going to be more expensive than the winter and the fall tickets. So again, go ahead and book those in advance and you'll be fine. So let's go ahead and get into the best time to buy your flight tickets, whether it's domestic or international. For international travel, 6 months to 2 months is the best time to pick your flight tickets. Do it in advance because if you wait till last minute, that's absolutely the worst time. So remember, 6 months to 2 months is the best time for international. For your domestic travel, anything for 4 months to 1 month in advance is good. And for domestic travel, 4 months to 1 month in advance is the best practice on buying your flight tickets. So overall, the price is going to change daily and consistently. So just double back, always check the prices once or twice over. Use different sites and use different tools against themselves. Compare the prices and pick the best that works for you. Because the flight prices keep going down, they do get cheaper. You can double back and check and see if that ticket you already booked has went down lower. And if that's the case, then just cancel it. See if you get any rewards or any points or credits. See if you get any credits towards that cancellation and just rebook the ticket. You'll save yourself a lot of money that way. So even if you book the ticket and you think that is the cheapest, always double back and see if it can go down any lower for you. Don't only use one website. There's more websites than only Google Flights out there. You got Travelocity, you got Expedia, you got Booking.com. There's so many other travel sites out there that you could use. So do not just use only one. Get familiar with more than one and compare them against each other. Be flexible. Be flexible with your flights and your dates. That can save a lot of money too. If you're too strict on one date, if it has to be on a Friday, you can cost yourself a lot of money in the long run. So be flexible. Tuesdays and Wednesdays tend to be a lot better than the weekends, and you'll save yourself a lot of money. Because the most expensive day of the week to fly is Sunday, and flying and waiting on a later date can save you up to 16% on your booking costs. So don't be too strict on your travel dates. You can also take advantage of layovers. Tickets that have a little longer layovers tend to be a little cheaper too as well. So you can take advantage of exploring a city. If you want to take advantage of the price as well, you can use the layover time to explore the city and save yourself some money. There are hundreds of ways that you can save money, and the best way to book a flight ticket, you just have to do a little research. Put a little more effort into it than just logging online and booking the first ticket that you see. And over time, you will become an expert at it. You will be having the most leverage of your money when it comes to booking tickets. So I hope these tips helped you guys out. If they did, leave me comments below. Let me know what you think. If you have any other tips that I didn't mention, please leave them below. I'm all about taking more advice and sharing the wealth. If you like these travel tips and hacks, check out my newsletter right here. So you can log on www.realtravelspeaks.com, scroll down, sign up and subscribe for the weekly newsletter. As always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching my videos. If you love these travel tips and hacks, I'll bring more to you very soon. So thanks for watching this video. More travel tips and hacks on the way. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.